In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Dev C++ on your Windows 11 on your PC. Just watch and follow this video till the end. Open any engine browser that you have on your PC and search for Dev C++ download and click on enter and come here to this link, search fork. Click on it like this. And right now click on download. So when you click on download, it will begin to download in, as you can see here. So you just have to wait a moment, and when it's downloading, just click on it. When you click on it, click yes, and you have to wait for the process to set up. Now choose your language, English of course, click OK, and read this and click I agree and click next. Then choose where the destination folder that you want to install your language there. Click install and wait the process. Right now it's installing. It's going to take some seconds, so just you have to wait. And right now click on finish and it will run automatically. So yeah, choose your language again, English, click next, and the font, the color, icons, and click next and click OK. And that's all guys. So I hope guys this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.